Today we're diving into the BEA 10EMS4751 wireless Wi-Fi push button, a standout product from BEA, incorporated design with a focus on convenience and reliability. This push button is crafted from durable metal, ensuring longevity and robust performance. Its dimensions of 7.6 by 7 by 2.7 inches make it suitable for various installations, whether residential or commercial point. One of the key features of the BEA 10EMS4751 is its wireless connectivity using Wi-Fi, which allows seamless integration into smart home systems. This makes it not only easy to install, but also effortless to operate remotely. The actuator type, a push button, offers straightforward functionality suitable for anyone looking for a simple yet effective solution. In terms of warranty, the BEA 10EMS4751 comes with a respectable 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind regarding its reliability and durability. The unit is designed to be installed easily, with clear instructions ensuring a hassle-free setup process. Overall, the BEA 10EMS4751 wireless Wi-Fi push button stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient push button solution. Its combination of sturdy construction, wireless connectivity, and ease of installation make it a strong contender in the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.